Hey guys, what's up? It's Drew and we're back again with another video today. Today we're going to be wrapping my roof. I'm actually going to be soon wrapping the whole entire car, so if that's something that you guys want to see, make sure you guys subscribe. But for the time being, right now we're just going to be wrapping the roof. What my plan is to do is a carbon fiber roof wrap. Now the reason why is because I'm planning on soon getting a carbon fiber hood. And I was gonna get a carbon fiber overlay for the roof, but the problem is that's around 800 bucks and it's not an actual replacement piece, so it's not like I'm gonna be saving any weight. So I'd rather just pay 60 bucks, get a decent wrap, and just wrap the roof, get the same look, because you can't replace the actual roof, so you're not doing any weight savings compared to the hood, which I am gonna be saving weight with getting the carbon fiber hood, but not with the roof because you can't take it off. So we're back here. Now what you want to do once you're done doing the inlays, you want to apply knifeless tape again on top, but now right there close to the seam. I also added another knifeless right here, just so once I apply it I can just trim it and then create an overlay right there, which won't be noticeable, but I'll just do it. Quick update video on the wrap. I just finished on the rear quarter panel, which is the whole entire thing. Now we're moving on to the door. This is somewhat what it looks like setting it up, and I'll put you on a quick time lapse to see how this goes. day 7 on wrapping my car. So far we just got the fender done, so all I need to do is take apart the front bumper now and reattach the lower grill or factory chin splitter, whatever that one's called. But yeah, that's pretty much how it is. Gotta cut out the holes right there, put the emblems back on, and today we should be able to finish it. All I gotta do is wrap the hood right here, and I should have more than enough material to wrap the trunk, which is right there. Some of what it looks like right now. Gotta plug in the taillights, everything, and should be getting it up and running today. Battery died, like I said last night, so I'm gonna have to jump start it. Not too much. Oh yeah, have to do the mirror cap for the other side. That will take me a little bit. It's a 2-piece design, so we'll see how long that takes me. Got the door handle done, yep, last night. Finally put it on, so assembled the, left this, it's making a weird noise. Alright, remove that. But yeah, everything's back on the door. So you see the battery's dead, so the window doesn't want to go up. And I have yet to push this piece down, but I'll only be able to do that once the window goes down, which I can't do right now because the battery's dead. Okay, but yeah, I won't be able to do that until the battery is up and running. But yeah, that's pretty much it so far. Just a quick look at that not so beautiful engine bay so far, but that supercharger always makes up for it. But yeah, I should have enough material for the hood. And it's not gonna come out perfect because I got imperfections in the hood, but one day I'm gonna be getting a carbon fiber hood. So this hood is kind of just temporary right now. Definitely gonna get some carbon fiber accents inside here, like battery covers, this cover, radiator cover I'm gonna get in carbon fiber. Same with the grill. Man, right here, I'm not sure if you can see, there's a little tiny imperfection. This grill, when I was installing it back on, it scraped it, which sucks, but what am I gonna do? Here, just a little imperfection there. Didn't cut as well with the knifeless tape as I wanted it to be. Same thing with the corner edge over here. Just made a little jaggy cut when I was pulling the knifeless. But everything for the most part seems good. I'm not sure if you can see with the lighting, but yeah, I didn't wrap the lower part because this lower grill for the most part covers it, so you can't really see it. But I didn't want to wrap it because it's right there and it's gonna get chipped up by rocks. So I just wanted to save the hassle of that, because when I first started wrapping, I wrapped this side rocker panels, but I'm not sure if you could see, it's like peeling. One, because it's textured plastic, and textured plastic does not stick well onto a wrap. That's why I was gonna wrap this at one point, but it's like a textured plastic, so it's not gonna grip on the vinyl as I want it to. So it's ended up peeling, right there, and with rock chips of obviously driving it, it ended up chipping it. So I don't know. I mean, for the most part, it doesn't look bad right now. So if it gets worse, I'm just gonna peel it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I didn't tighten everything. I didn't put the bolts or anything right there. But I mean, it's not that bad of a job for my first time right here. Just some little wrinkles there from the putting the bumper back on, but for the most part, everything is like flawless. These covers, I don't think I have enough material or vinyl to wrap the scoops that I had, but I mean for right now it honestly doesn't look that bad. Like I kind of like that look, so I'm just gonna rock it like that for now, and I'll just order some more vinyl for like 50 bucks and then just wrap the what are they called, the scoops, just put them back on with 3M, no biggie. Gotta put the mirror back on, trunk lid, hood, and we're pretty much done. Definitely gonna get some outside shots, especially in the light. Thank God it's sunny today, so should be getting some nice shots for you guys.